Annyeong! Today we're making O-jing-eo Bokkeum, Korean spicy stir-fried squid. It's a bold mix of heat, smokiness, and savory depth with tender squid coated in a rich gochujang-based sauce. Quick to make and full of flavor, it pairs perfectly with rice or noodles. Let's get started. I recommend using frozen squid. It's already cleaned and cut, making it easier to work with and more budget-friendly. Just soak it in a cold water for about 30 minutes until it softens. If you're using fresh squid, cut it open and slice it into strips or cut it into O-rings for a different texture. For the vegetables, we'll use green onions and an onion. They add a smoky aroma while balancing any fishy scent from the squid. Chop the green onions into large pieces about the same size as the squid. Slice the white parts thinner so they soften faster and release more fragrance. Slice the onion into thin strips. Now let's mix the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru or Korean chili powder, 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste, and a pinch of black pepper. Stir well and set aside. Heat a pan over medium-high heat with a bit of oil. Stir-fry the onions and green onions for about a minute until fragrant. Then add the sauce and stir until the vegetables are fully coated and softened. At this point, you'll smell the deep spicy aroma. Now add the squid and stir quickly. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes until the squid firms up. Be careful not to overcook, it should stay tender. And that's it! A quick and satisfying dish that is full of bold flavors. This goes great with rice, but I personally love it with noodles. Use thin wheat noodles which you can easily find in most grocery stores. Just boil them for about 3 minutes. And pairing it with noodles lets you soak up every bit of the smoky, spicy sauce. I hope this video inspired you to try my Korean recipes at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.